All right, so let's take a look at the stock market. Look at this hot stock called Tesla. Wow, the stock has been trending up so much from $300 all the way to, I think, $900. Yesterday, the high was $960. Can you see the high was $960? $940 high. And then from there off, Tesla sort of like having some suppression at the top, which probably means there's some big funds or big players taking profits, right? So this is the daily chart. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. Wow, look at the 5-minute chart. The stock has been gapping up. A small gap here, it moved higher, and there was a super huge gap here. I think the key was not the gap. The key was, can you see the next 3 bars? There's a lot of people chasing up the stocks. A lot of people chasing up the stocks, and then followed by profit taking, right? There was some profit taking here. And then towards the end of the night, there was some weak buying. Towards the end of the night, there was a long bar down, right? This long bar down is about from the high $955 all the way to the low $860. So this is almost a 90-point drop in Tesla, this one bar. And this 90-point drop caused a lot of players who went long in Tesla to took profits and got out the positions, right? So guys, let's take a look at Tesla's pre-market, right? Let's look at the pre-market. What happened to Tesla now? Oh my God, Tesla in the pre-market is going to open lower, $24, 2.71% down, and it was, I think the reason why it came down was because of this very large profit taking that happened here. This very large profit taking that took place here, that was causing the market to, that was causing this stock to to gap down later on, right? It's a very nice stock. It's the hottest stock at the moment, and it has all the signals that you want to look to long and short, right? So the best part was, I'm still holding my short positions, which is around 100 shares each. I got 200 shares, and I shorted around $800 plus, $888 and $893. So this is my position, $890 average, because I got 2 positions. So my average price is $890, and currently up $506. But look at where I shorted, right here, before it's going to gap down tonight. So I'm not sure what time or what price is the market going to open later. So we shall see what's going to happen later, right? Take a look at this. The date now is, today is February 5th, 2020, 9:30 p.m. So when I shorted was yesterday midnight, February 5th, 12 midnight, I shorted this stock called Tesla, right? So I'm still looking forward to see what Tesla is going to bring me on later, right? So the reason why I short, because of the profit taking and the gap up, and I think a lot of people are chasing the stock. The stock was crazy. A lot of analyst report came out putting target price of $1,000. It might reach there, but in the near term, there's going to be a lot of profit taking from a lot of big players, hedge funds, mutual funds. So I think it's wise to lock in profits in the short term first before we see how it trends out or how it pans out later on, to look for a signal to go long again. All right. So with that, we will watch the next video and see how Tesla pans out. Right. So the market just opened. Tesla now is about $15,000. Right, looking to close my position. So 15,000 now, and look at this. Tesla had a gap down. Pre-market was down, and the stock just gapped down. Can you see the stock just gapped down from yesterday because of this long red bar? That was sort of like a profit taking, and the profit just escalates slowly. You can see 17,000, right? So we shall see how it pans out later on before I decide to take profits. All right. Okay, so let the market simmer off a little bit more first before we continue to watch this stock and take profits. But the most important thing now is we need to see any buyers coming in. If there's no buyer, I think the seller is going to command this stock. He's going to take control. of this counter and it's going to sell down more before we see a good profits in this stock. All right, so let's continue to watch the stock and see how it pans out later on. Can you see the profits escalating? 19,000 now, right? Okay. All right, 2 bar down, one red bar, one green bar. I believe I'm going to lock in Tesla's profit soon. I hope this bar can break down. I really hope this bar can break down. Let me see how Tesla looks like. I really hope this bar can break down a little bit for me to lock in some good profits in Tesla, because the stock just met with a lot of sellers taking profits. So I expect the stock to tank down a little bit more before I look to lock in profits, but it seems quite strong. Seems quite strong, all right? Seems quite strong. I gotta be a little bit more patient. So my profits has eroded from 19,000 or 17,000 now to 12,000. But I think patience is the key. So we shall see Tesla try to have, okay, can you see guys, there's short covering here. There's short covering here. So the market, so the stock gap down earlier on, there's some short covering. And I expect the stock to come down lower a little bit more before I call it a day and lock in all my profits, all right? So we shall see how it performs. So give it a while more. All right, 17,000. Tesla is on its way down. The red bar formed. Will it break lower? Let me take a look. It looks like this. Will it go down lower? I don't know, but it seems like the stock is breaking down and I'm looking to lock in profits soon. So I'll try to lock in the live profits here. Try to lock in live profits here as fast as possible, so that to rip off the biggest profits and not to have too much reactions. All right, watch this, watch this. Stock is breaking down, coming down, breaking down. 18, we're gonna have 18, 18, come on, 18, yes. Stock is breaking down, 18, yes. Now we're gonna take profits. All right, so I just lock in profits from my Tesla. Well, it might go down lower. I might look for another signal to short later on, but I just rip off like more money. It just broke down lower. It's always like that. It's always like that. So no choice. I really lock in profit. So I need to look for another signal to re-enter the stock again. All right. So that's as good as a live trade, and I look forward to do more videos like this to show you guys how I select a stock and how I take profits in a stock. Okay, great. Hope you enjoyed this video, and do subscribe to my channel if you're interested to learn more from me, and I'll take it out from here. All right, thank you. See ya. Bye.